Hello everyone. To use NVIDIA Live in NSCaster, go to the output and click the gear button. Take the NVIDIA Live and do the setting. If you want to record, take Enable Record and select a directory you want to save. Inside here, we can use UDP, RTSP, RTMP, HTTP address to stream. In this video, I'll be using RTMP address, so take Enable RTMP and write your RTMP address here. I will take YouTube as example, copy the URL and paste into RTMP. Copy the stream key to stream. Besides that, you can go to the advanced to do more settings such as the quality, codec, bitrate and so on. Once you're done, click OK. To start streaming, click on this icon. When the streaming is successful, it will change to red. You can check the status by clicking this button. So let's go to YouTube. The video is now loading. After the video is loaded, click Go Live to start streaming. So click again the icon to stop streaming. Because just now we tick Enable Record, so let's go to check the recorded file. As you can see, the recorded file is right here in the MP4 format. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed the video.